Hey there, what's up? It's me Rakin. In this video, I'll show that instead of using OpenAI, DeepSeek, and Cloud, how you can use free AI models on make.com, like for example, Gemini experimental models, Olama, Mistral. So these kind of models, and also there are like great models out there, which are actually text generation models. So you can use that on make.com for free. And the first, you need a OpenRouter account. So we have to just go to OpenRouter and we have to just create an account here. And by using OpenRouter, we actually just use those AI models. So as you can see that that's the OpenRouter website. So we have to go into sign in. Then in here, we have to go with the sign up because you are new in here. Then you have to go with your email address and the password. And if you want to just go with your Google, you can go with that and also the MetaMask. So let me just go with my email address and a random password. So after that, I'm just going with the agree button and then just go with continue. And then I have to just verify my email. And after that, it will be redirected again here after verifying your account. So right now you can see that my account has been created successfully. So if I just show you that there are like lots of free models in the search bar and just go with free. And if you just click enter, you can see that there are lots of free models. These are all of those are the free models and those are really good. And as you can see that the giant models, for example, the Google Gemini Flashlight 2.0 preview version. So these are all the preview or like experimental versions. So those are also free. So let me say that you not only can use that on make.com, but you can use that anywhere as you want. Let me go to make.com and let me just say you that how you can connect that. I'm just going plus and I'm have to go and call OpenRouter. And as you can see that this one OpenRouter, and I have to go with a new one. I'm just going with the first one. And in here I have to just connect that. Let me go with create a connection. And in here, I have to give the API key. So I can create the API key. You have to go to the OpenRouter again. So you have to just go to your, the profile icon. It will be at the top, at the right corner, and then go with keys. And when you just go with keys, you actually come in here. And in here, you have to just go to with create a new key. And in here, I just give a new name. For example, I'm just going with test one. And in here, you don't have to just give a limit. So if you give a limit, so it will just work in this a particular amount. Then if you don't want to just give a limit, so it doesn't matter. So then go with the create. So as you can see that that's a new API key of ours. Then I'll just go with copy. Then I'll go to make.com again. Then I'll just paste that and I'll just go and save. So as you can see, it's now connecting and it's already connected. And to use this module, you have to just go to in the message option and you have to give a content, you have to give the role. So for the role, I'm just going with assistant, and in the content, you have to give a question or anything, the output of another module like this. For example, I'm just going with how are you. Then in the model section, I have to go with the free models. So I'm just going with free. So as you can see, there are lots of free models there out there. For example, Dolphin 3, Mistral, Google. I think in here like 10 to 20 free AI models in here. So I can go with anyone. So the most favorite one for me is the Google Gemini 2.0 Flash. I use that most, this one. So that's actually for me, like I think that's the fastest. And let me just go and just see this, like is it works or not. Go with save and run once. As you can see, it will just give the output. As you can see in the choice section, you can just find and in here you have to do the message. And under the message, you can actually just find the output. So as you can see that, it's all there. It's saying, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. As a large language model, I don't experience emotions or feelings in the same way humans do, but I'm functioning optimally and reading to assist you. How can I help you today? So as you can see, it's working. So as you know, if you just go with the plus icon, you can add more models with that. And that's how you can actually use this AI model for free. That's super cool. So if you're a learner or like a business owner who actually understanding business automation to provide services or like for your business, this channel will help you a lot. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Inshallah, like lots of videos will coming soon about like business automation or like business automation tutorials, like both coding and no coding tools. So that's it. Peace out.